we're gonna tell you how to make a Lego. Lego, but a microwave with Lego. So let's start it. First, take a 2x3 and this glass piece and this green snot brick here, and turn it like this, and take another snot brick, and here is another snot brick, but one by one, and this is a normal 1x1, and here take a 1x2, the smooth piece, and put it over here. Tiles, I think so. And then another one, 2x4, not 2x4, 2x2, like this. It should look like this, and another 2x2 here, and another 2x2 in the top, and another 1x2 in the top. Here is the convection oven, microwave. Take a look. So this is a snot brick technique you can use, which I showed. These are snot bricks. And snot bricks basically means studs not on top, snot. So that was the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. For now, bye-bye, guys. And stay tuned and keep on building. Don't forget to smile. Bye.